When selecting a weatherproof cover for a 4-inch round bell box that needs to support a heavy metal halide light fixture with a 1/2-inch male threaded knuckle, especially in high wind conditions, there are several factors to consider. The primary issue is the covers are breaking, so durability is key. Firstly, consider an industrial weatherproof cover specifically designed for use with round bell boxes. A good example is an explosion-proof weatherproof cover with a threaded hub. Secondly, while not explicitly explosion-proof, many industrial weatherproof covers feature threaded hubs that can accommodate a 1/2-inch knuckle. Look for options from reputable brands. Thirdly, a custom machine cover can be created by contacting a local machine shop to have a custom cover machined. This option provides the most flexibility in terms of size and threading. Installation tips are critical. Ensure the cover size is compatible with the bell box. Use a weatherproof sealing compound to ensure a watertight seal between the cover and the bell box. Use a wrench to tighten the knuckle to the correct torque specification. Inspect the installation regularly and make any necessary adjustments to ensure the cover remains secure. Additional considerations include high wind rating. Choose a cover with a high wind rating to withstand strong winds. Also, material is important. Opt for a corrosion-resistant material such as stainless steel or aluminum to prevent rust and degradation. Cost is always a factor. Consider the cost of the cover and any necessary installation materials. By carefully evaluating these factors, one can select a weatherproof cover that will provide long-lasting protection for the metal halide light fixture in a challenging environment.